Sasha. Sasha. What you doing? What you doing? Sasha. Hi. Hi. Talk to me. Really? I didn't know that. What else happened? Huh? What happened then, huh? Really? Are you just gonna purr? Are you just gonna purr? Show me your beautiful blue eyes. Sasha. Sasha cat. Hi. Talk to me. Come on. Come on. Hi, baby boy. Are you the prettiest boy in the neighborhood? Do you have a girlfriend? Tell me about her. Are you tired? You've been running around all day. Yes, you have. Yes, you have. Sasha. Sasha. Open your eyes. Open them. Open. Let me see how blue they are. Open. Sasha.